Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 11 clock and date missing on taskbar. So click on start, then settings. Now here click on time and language. Again click on date and time. Now here underneath related links click on additional clock. Now click on additional clock here. Select your desired time, then just select this option, show this clock, and unselect additional clock if you don't need, and just select here, show this clock, select and set your time like Chennai time zone, then check this box, show this clock. After that click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this is the way guys to fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.